Imagine you've just bought a new phone. It's shiny, new, and you can't wait to use it. But there's a problem: you don't have the full amount to pay for it. What do? That's where Beforepay comes in. It's a flexible payment option that lets you spread the cost of your purchase over time. But what if you want to pay it off sooner than planned? Can you repay Beforepay early? Understanding Beforepay. Beforepay is a buy now, pay later (BNPL) service that allows you to make purchases and pay for them in installments. It's a convenient way to manage your finances and spread out the cost of larger purchases. The flexibility of Beforepay. One of the great things about Beforepay is its flexibility. You can choose a payment plan that suits your budget and timeline. However, there might be times when you want to accelerate your payments and pay off your debt sooner. Can you repay Beforepay early? The short answer is yes, you can typically repay Beforepay early. This option can be beneficial for several reasons, such as saving on interest charges or freeing up your credit limit. How to repay Beforepay early? To repay Beforepay early, you'll usually need to contact their customer service or log into your online account. They can provide you with the specific steps and any associated fees, if applicable. Benefits of early repayment. There are several advantages to repaying Beforepay early. Saving on interest. By paying off your debt sooner, you can avoid paying interest charges that would accumulate over time. Improving your credit score. Early repayment can demonstrate responsible financial behavior, which can positively impact your credit score. Freeing up your credit limit. By paying off your Beforepay balance, you can increase your available credit limit for future purchases. Factors to consider. While early repayment is generally possible, there are a few factors to consider. Prepayment fees. Some BNPL providers may charge a prepayment fee. It's important to check the terms and conditions of your Beforepay agreement to see if this applies. Minimum payment requirements. You may still be required to make minimum payments on your Beforepay balance, even if you want to pay it off early. Repaying Beforepay early can be a great way to save money and improve your financial situation. However, it's essential to understand the terms and conditions of your agreement and any associated fees before making a decision. If you're considering early repayment, contact Beforepay customer service for specific guidance and to determine if it's the right option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.